Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Slate back with a brand new video for you guys today. And as you guys can see by the title, I'm gonna be showing you how to install the wonderful IW5. That's what you want to call it. It's usually called IW5, which is the Modern Warfare 3 version of IW4's Plutonium BO2. You know how it is. So this tutorial is really easy and simple because there's a whole form online that we just go by, and I'll just show you how to install everything. So let's go. Alright guys, so if we go ahead and hop over here to the Plutonium form for IW5, what you're gonna have to do first is come over here and log in or sign up for an account if you don't already have one, just because you need it to log into the actual client that you're gonna be downloading. First you're gonna need to get Modern Warfare 3, but you don't have to buy the full game. If you go to this one, everything will be linked down below. If you go to this one, it is, I don't know what it is, but you can go here and you just take this, you click it, or you don't click it, you copy and paste it in a web browser. Control C, open up a web browser, right? And then you open up Steam. All right, so that should bring you here. Now I already have my Modern Warfare 3 dedicated server already installed. Now if you already own Modern Warfare 3, there's gonna be about 5 megabytes, but if you don't already have Modern Warfare 3, there's gonna be somewhere between 13 and 14 gigabytes, which is a lot, and it takes a bit depending on your internet. Now I had some trouble with this. I had to actually install this twice because the first time it wasn't working for some reason, so I was just like, okay, whatever. So I uninstalled it, wiped all the files, and reinstalled it. You might have to do that. I heard some people have some problems with that. So if you can't open up the game, then just uninstall the dedicated server and reinstall it, and then it should work again. I don't know what's wrong with it. So you're gonna install this. While you're installing this, you're gonna come over here and you want to download the actual client, which is right here. Now if you click here, you should get a download that automatically pops up. So if you click this link right here, you get a download that already pops up. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to run this file. Now it should pop up on my other, no, it pops up. Now it's gonna come up like this, just because this isn't like made by a, I don't know how to say it, but like, just run it anyway. It's safe. A bunch of people have it, so hit run anyway. I already so I'm gonna run it now. What's gonna pop up is this. Don't be scared. It's just gonna pop up. You're gonna have to update all your files. So that while that's doing, then this is gonna pop up now, and now it's gonna ask you to log in. So you're just gonna go ahead and log in, use whatever you used to make your account on the actual Plutonium form, log in, and then it's gonna ask you to set up. So you're gonna have to wait to set everything up till your actual dedicated server gets done downloading, because what you're gonna do is it's gonna say setup, and how you're gonna set this up is hit setup, and it's gonna pop up a browser. Now the easiest way to do this, instead of going in and actually looking for it, come back over to Steam, go over to this little setting thing, hit properties, locate file, and browse file. Now when you do this, you get this pop up, right? Now you're gonna get this. Now if I pull this up, you're gonna get this, right? But there's a bunch more stuff right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your PC, local disk, program files, then you're gonna come down to Steam apps, common, Modern Warfare, and then it should say use this file or something like that, and you're gonna put that file in. Now before you're able to play any of the servers on IW5, you're gonna have to install the DLCs for IW5, which are right here. It's gonna download as a zip file, so you're gonna want to have WinRAR. If you don't, I'll leave a link down below to that as well, to help you guys out. So you're gonna download this, unzip this, and then if I load up my thing again, program files, Steam, and once you unzip that, you're gonna get a folder just named, I think it's like MW3 DLCs. You're gonna open that folder and drag everything from that folder into this folder. Close this, and then you're good to run Modern Warfare 3 Plutonium. Now, if you're running it on PC, keyboard and mouse, you should be completely fine. Now, if you do want to use a controller, because I know a lot of people do use controllers on the or PC, I'll leave a link down to this. Now, these are just configs for the actual IW5. They're different configs and VKs and Sean's configs for IW4X. You can't use the IW4X configs on IW5. I tried, it did not work. So this will be down below, and you got your Xbox default and tactical, and then you have your PlayStation default flip, tactical, and tactical flip. What you're gonna do with these is you're just gonna copy whichever one you want and copy it, and you're just gonna paste it in the thing, and you're gonna open this. Now this is gonna pop up right here. Now what you're gonna do here is I already have the config set up. Now if you already played IW4X, you wouldn't have to do the step before this, which you would have to. Now if you just want to play MW3 Plutonium and you didn't have IW4X beforehand, you're gonna have to open up big picture mode, which is on my other screen. So let's go ahead and go over there, and then you're gonna come over here to settings, controller settings, and you want to make sure PlayStation configuration support and Xbox configuration support are both checked. I only use Xbox, I don't use PlayStation, but if you're switching back and forth, make sure they're both checked. I don't know. Just make sure whichever one you're planning on using is checked for the most part. Once that's checked, go back over here to the thing, copy the config, and make sure you actually apply the config. I don't know if it's gonna show up for me when I do this, but we're gonna find out. So we're gonna open this up. Now it doesn't say apply, but down, because I already have it applied, maybe if I do another one. So if I come here and I do tactical, since I don't have the tactical one applied, we'll come down here and open this. Now this is gonna load up this config, and it's still not gonna say apply for some reason, but down here it's gonna say apply config. Make sure that you hit apply config, or the config won't actually, when you load up the launcher and everything, like I said, you should set everything up. Just hit play after you do that. Everything should load up. Now it will crash on its first time loading up. That's normal for IW5. And this is actually pretty cool, but crashing's normal for the first time loading it up. Do not worry. Now if you don't download the DLCs, you won't be able to play any servers, like I said, so just make sure you have them DLCs already unlocked. Now you're gonna come in as a level 1, which, you know, you can't do anything as a level 1. So what you do is you're gonna open up your client using tilde, unlock all, hit that, escape, and play, and you should be prestige, highest prestige, highest level. You can go in and create all your classes that you want to use for sniping, trick shot, and all that jazz. And that's pretty much it. I know you can set your prestige by like set player data prestige, if I know how to spell it, 7 tilde escape play. I don't know. I know you can do it that way, I just don't know how to spell prestige, but that's how you do it. You can also change your title, your emblem, and all this other stuff, like what's on your title. I think it's just title, but I don't know. Now that's basically what you do, and then you just go over here to servers, and all the servers are gonna pop up. So that's basically it. That's how you get IW5 Modern Warfare 3 Plutonium. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more IW5 videos. I haven't hit a shot yet. I've been playing all night, but I do have a lot of gameplay of people hitting. So if you guys do want to see a video on IW5, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll be sure to make that for you guys. And like I always say, I hope you all have a great day or night wherever you guys are at, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.